Hello everybody, Catmatt here live from the beach, Kentucky. We got a break in the rain today. I wasn't going to go fishing, but I decided I'd come out. I just threw one pole out and it got buried instantly, and I'm getting close to that 20-pounder on GNS cheese bait. I'll show him to you. I got some video of him, but I'm going to get some more poles out. The bite might be terrible. I might have just got lucky, but I thought if it was going to be like that, I'd see if I could get some video. Water temp has really cooled. It means it's just about time to go find where those Leonard flatheads are on the Cumberland. I'm just throwing out here off the ledge. See if we get any more big ones. We shall see. All these green and red worms are boss cat worms. The other ones are tubes I had left over that I have tied with boss cat trebles. I love their treble hooks, very, very strong. Start catching real good sized fish. A little bit stronger treble hook doesn't hurt anything. Now also, I got a real fine wire 5/0 boss cat on here. Got me some crawlers, which, you know, worms are a good bait, real good bait down here all the time. But you know, at this time of the year, when the water temperature is cool, worms are always a good bet on cooling water. Cooling water, rising water, night crawlers can be dynamite for just about for a lot of species actually. Since we're not taking ourselves too serious right now. We'll see if we can ask for a little trouble. We'll throw 4 poles out. See if we can get ourselves into a predicament. We got sun down there on the lake. We got sun up there on the lake. We got a little bit of a rain shower here, a little bit of a rain shower there. It's like a buffet of weather. So, okay, let's see if anything happens. You know, I got the cheese. What I did was I took the cheese in. When it's getting down to 30 and 40 at night, I take the cheese in the house, or else it can get real hard. Uh-oh, we got fish. So I take it in at night when I'm going to fish when it's cold. I'll add a little oil to it and just let it sit that way overnight. can always tell when it's a good blue. Well, not always, but you get some channel cats mixed in, and I love this on the lakes. I've learned this since I love nosing into the bank and throwing out over these ledges, where these ledges run real close to the bank. It's a great way to fish. Now, some ledges will have junk and roots and stuff on them, and it can be a real pain, you know, trying to reel your rigs up or trying to reel a fish up, because they'll get snagged on everything, hugging that ledge when you're trying to drag them up. But there's a fish. Boss cat, right? Not only does it have my other line, that boss cat right there, that fish wasn't going nowhere. I keep a little channel cat. So the water temperature has dropped into the 60s here on this part of Kentucky Lake. Got a little foot weight coming in right now. I like to fold that baby in there, just kind of push it in and roll the bait on top of it and push. Man, it fills up the worm real nice. Coats the outside. Put a little bit of stress on your spool with your thumb before it hits the water. That turns, make sure that dip bait rig is behind the sinker and it lands nice. You won't get them back in all tangled up near as much, or hardly at all if you do that. Really helps. Okay, we are reset. We'll see what happens. Typically when they hit like that, they're channel cats. See, this is usually what happens when you decide to turn a camera on. Anyway, what I've been doing so much of, I've been doing so much cheese bait fishing, and, you know, just trying to show people that, you know, not only does it catch a ton of fish, but you can catch nice fish, you can catch fish fast. It's a real fun way to target catfish, period. And, you know, there are little tricks of the trade. It's not just as easy as opening up a tub, throwing a worm in there, and putting a little bait on it and going to town. I mean, that can work, but, you know, getting the right consistency, you know, fishing it the right way for the situation, the current. Are you fishing heavy current? You know, how deep are you fishing? Are you fishing no current? I mean, there's a lot of things to take into consideration when you're using cheese bait. But we're just trying to get you know, get it out of your head that it's just a small fish bait, because it's nothing further from the truth. Anyway, I'll do some more video later. But I just wanted to come to you and show you. I was catching a few fish there, so I wanted to show you. But I've got a fish. I think I broke 16 pounds just a second ago, which is 2 pounds added on to my biggest ever, with cheese bait, obviously. But I'm working. I told you my goal is I want to catch a 20 pounder on cheese. I haven't been able to do that, but I think it's definitely possible. I think I'm working in the right direction on figuring out the little tricks of the trade when it comes to that style of fishing anyway. So keep working at it, and I don't think it's too far off in the distant future. We got another fish running with worms, but we'll see. I'm gonna keep working at it, but you need to get yourself some GNS cheese bait. Try it. Get on their Facebook page. Get a hold of Dave Geary and check it out. We'll see if we can catch this fish real quick here on this worm. And yeah, we got him. Real nice fat channel cat. See where that hook's at? That's the old boss cat. Ain't going nowhere. Anyway, I'm gonna get back to fishing. Hopefully I'll come back to you. I tried to go live, it didn't work, so I thought I'd make a little video. Hope you all have a nice day. If you do a little liking and subscribing, I'd appreciate it. Take her easy, everybody.